Now more than ever, University Housing Services needs your help in answering our bird call, caw-caw, on Birds Give Back Day. After 2 years of overcoming obstacles presented by the COVID-19 pandemic, we need all the support we can get to continue to build welcoming and inclusive communities for our students. This year, your gift will directly impact our team's ability to increase the quality of the on-campus housing experience. We have big plans to enhance one of our favorite housing traditions, cultural dinners, where we celebrate and educate our students on the benefits of celebrating diversity. We would love the opportunity to provide every student with a t-shirt on move-in day to help them have a sense of pride and community for their residence hall. Living away from home can be tough, and a gift from you can help our professional staff provide more resources for students struggling with their transition to campus life. And finally, your gift can help us provide even more positive ways to nurture healthy and safe floor communities. We look forward to having your support on Birds Give Back Day. Please consider helping us make our Redbird Nest the most welcoming home away from home.